Right. So my account header options list test. So for my account header options test. Next. So this is a similar approach. We need to do what we did on the top, right? So I'll just do the same thing here. Verify my account header options. So I think this get my account header list. Get my account header options list. So then we have to create this expected list same. Similar approach you take, just change the values. My account header options list and give, I think we have my header, right? My account. This is as it is, no change. Second one is
My orders.
my orders. Yeah, my orders. Add my orders. One my affiliate account. So the last one is
Letter.
letter. Okay, so that's it. And just add header options, right? Header. So what else we have? This is done. This is done. And now search, right? We need to do a search. That's it. Only search is pending now. Let's finish the search also. Yeah, and also we can do one more broken link. So because here we have so many links, right? All these links are working or not, how do you know? So we need to find out that broken links. So let's do the broken links test for this page. So any page you can call that function. Already we have written that function. So that function we can use that. So let's do that. Next test case is verify broken links in the current page. Verify broken links. This is 05. Okay. So verify broken links test TC05. So for this, what we need to do first, we have to fetch all the links from my account page, right? So fetch all the links from my account page. So how can we fetch all the links from my account page?
We need to use the tag name. Then we need to pass A. For links, the tag name is A.
So list web element. So we can my account page
Links equal to
is links list equal
driver
to
dot find elements
driver dot find elements.
by dot tag name of A.
So yeah. Yeah. So if it is not coming, we have to go and import it. Let's go and import.
Java.util package.
So import java.util.list. Print the error has gone. Okay. So then once you get this, you have to call the function. So we have a function in our verify URLs method is there in the
Test base.
so test base or my driver factory, I think. So we need to see where it is. Okay, let's go and see that. Yeah, in the test base. So you can call directly. First iterate this, right? Iterate, you have to get the so URL of the link. So I'll use for each loop for web element. So link colon my account page links test. So then just call verify URLs. And then here you have to give the link dot get DOM attribute href, right?
In href attribute, there will be an URL.
Yes. So it will get the URL and it will provide to this method and it will validate all of them. Okay. So that's the another test case. 6. So verify product search. So verify product search test. Last one. So I'm just performing the last, then we can close this my account page also. We have only 5 minutes for the next class. Product search test. So just call this product search test. So what we need to do if you want to perform a search. So the product search is go to my account page. Okay, my account page. This is the product set, right, which is returning a results page. So you have to return that results. So you can say results page equal to my account page dot do product search. So in the product search, you have to give a product name, right? So you have to give a product name. So here you can pass string product name. From where you will get this product name? So I'm going to create one data provider. I'm going to create a data provider. Basically, I'm doing multiple products. So that data provider you have to supply to this test method. So let's create the data provider. So logout we need keep this logout, okay? So we don't want to touch that. So how to create a data provider? At the rate data provider and public object to two-dimensional array. So I can say product test data. So you can write like this: return new object. So new object, and you can start here itself. So each row one elements, right? One element you can store row wise. Each curly bracket is one element like this. So another curly, another element, another row. So if you don't want to specify the number of rows, so this is the option, right? How many you want to give. But what are the products we want to search? So you can see the products, right? Maybe you can go to the home page and you can see the products, right? MacBook, Apple, Canon, EOS. So even Samsung also we have. I'm going to give this MacBook one product. So you can give other Cinema 30. And one will give Samsung, right? So these are the elements. So these elements you need to supply to this test method. So how to supply?
We need to use the keyword data provider.
So we have to use a keyword data provider and
that method name we need to pass.
so pass the method name here. The method name is product test data. Just method name, no parentheses, okay? That's it. Or you can give a name for this, so that name you can pass it here. If you give a name you need to pass. If you don't provide name, you need to pass this method name. So okay, so all the product names coming from directly from this place, and it will keep searching. Automatic iteration will happen. Now once it goes to the next page, right, results page. So you wait for the result page dot wait for page load. 1 second, I'm waiting. Okay, do the 1 second verification, and then so verify the results page title, right? So verify the results page title. So verify results page title. So results page title we have to verify. Maybe I'll use here soft asset, because soft asset we haven't used, right? Let me use soft asset. SA equal to new soft asset. So what is the advantage of soft asset? We should know and use this also, okay? Normal hard, till now we used hard assertions. So try to use soft asset also. So you will get a better idea what is soft asset. So asset equals. So you have to give results page. Why we are getting this result page dot get title, and you have to store that. You have to store that title. So title is going to be like this, right? If you do the search here, Samsung. See your search hyphen the product name, right? That's the title you are getting. Just copy from here so that you won't miss anything. So copy this as it is, and we'll parameterize that. So just copy like this. But we don't want to give this, right? Next iteration. So first time MacBook. If you give Samsung, it will fail. So next time Apple Cinema. So if you give Samsung, it will fail. So third time it will pass. But the problem is you should not hard code. How to parameterize this? So that place you remove plus and the product name.
Mm.
That's it. Okay. So that's how you can validate. And then so make sure the product list size is greater than 1 or greater than 0, right? So how can you asset that? Asset to true, asset to true. So I'm going to asset that result page dot get product list size, right? Functions are there in this.
Yeah, there is a get product list size metal size.
Where is that?
From top, I think so, fifth or sixth.
All drop down options. Get product.
No. You have scrolled down, just scroll down. Yeah, that is the one.
Yeah,
Get
yeah.
product list.
Greater than 0 input. So this will return true or false, but we are expecting true. So that's another say SA. So multiple assertions I am using. So then navigate to my account page, right? So navigate to my account page. It just says search you are doing and verifying and coming back. My account page. So how can you navigate? There is a method, navigate to my account page. Simple. And you verify my account page dot wait for page load. I'm just doing 2 seconds there. Just wait there 2 seconds. And then you have to call SA dot asset all is a mandatory here. Okay. This function you have to call at the end of all your assertions. Even this assertion fails, it won't stop here and continues. And this asset all the assertions. If which assertion fails, and that will report in your logs. That's it. It won't stop your test case. But the hard assertion will stop your execution, right? That's the difference between soft asset and hard asset. Hard asset is going to stop the execution of your test case. Soft asset, it doesn't stop the execution, it continues. But if the assertion fails, that will show in the logs and in your report. So this assertion failed, but continue the execution. That's the difference between soft asset and hard. So that's the one of the famous interview question also. So I think we are good, right? All done. Yeah, perfect. So let's add this test case in the suite file. So where is our suite file? class com dot here dot open card dot test cases dot MyAccountPage. Everything will come there. You don't need to struggle. So now you can run parallel execution. So if you want, you can just enable this. You add one more attribute parallel. Okay, so then it will run all three test cases parallel. Okay, so that's how we can do that. Maybe that we'll do later. Let me execute this clean first. So clean, what it will do, mvn clean, it will clean the target folder, whatever it is there. So if you go and see that, target folder will be cleaned. No target folder here. Yes, we just cleaned that. That's what the maven clean purpose. And do maven test. So install first time any new dependencies if you had, you use the install. Otherwise, maven test is more than enough. Okay, so let it run. First, it will execute home page test. Login page test.
Here it is verifying the page URL, but we gave wrong. In the constants, we have added one.
Like
I
that.
think it's correct.
So we'll wantedly I failed that, but yeah, we can.
Yes.
Yeah, so this is the problem. It will open and no, it will create a problem. Wherever you need, you use this escape, press escape key. Okay, I think it is opening. Which test case it is opening, we need to see that. I think it is opening in the verify URLs page. So then it will fail. Okay, so that verify URLs page also you need to call links test. Here you need to call that after all the test cases. My account page dot press escape key. Then it will solve that problem. Okay, so that's it. We'll see tomorrow. Next class only left now product detail space test and registration. We'll finish next class everything. So even we can start the API testing also. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Thank you.